You can see this one turns in more. This is an AS talus, medial tilt right there. How about that one? Oh. Both tender. And we're going to be working what's called a periarticular swelling. 5, 4, 3, 2, dorsiflexion, plantar, dorsiflex. We're prepping the joint. First part was periarticular swelling. That's the swelling around the joint. This is interarticular swelling between the joints. Let it go, let it go, let it go. AS talus, medial tilt.
Ooh. Ooh.
Fibula, AS talus, posterior fib, calcaneus, navicular, calcaneus, navicular. We're doing the inferior second cuneiform coming off the third digit. Coming off the third digit, same thing. Gotcha.
It does feel like smoother.
The walking feels a little smoother.